In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to add cinematic sharpness to your footage without overdoing it. Sometimes the regular sharpen effect can make footage look harsh or noisy. Instead, we'll use a more controlled method. Let's begin. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for Unsharp Mask. Drag the Unsharp Mask effect onto your clip. Next, go to the effect controls panel. Now you'll see three main settings: amount, radius, threshold. Let's adjust them properly. Start with amount. Increase it slowly. This controls how strong the sharpening effect is. Now, adjust the radius. Radius controls how wide the sharpening spreads around edges. Keep the radius low for a clean cinematic look. If you increase it too much, edges will look unnatural. Next is threshold. Threshold determines how much contrast difference is required before sharpening is applied. Increasing the threshold helps prevent noise and flat areas from being sharpened. This is what keeps the effect subtle and professional. Zoom into your footage at 100%. While adjusting these values, fine-tune the amount and radius until the image looks crisp but not artificial. The goal is clarity, not over-sharpening. When done correctly, Unsharp Mask adds detail and depth while keeping skin tones and textures natural. And that's it. You now know how to add cinematic sharpness using Unsharp Mask in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.